Alright, well, I'm back in VR and my Meta Quest 3 and Pinball FX VR again, as I have recorded 2 videos, and this is my third one of the final 2 pinball tables that I got recently. We started with Theater Magic, then Champions Pub, and then we did Black Rose Party Zone, and now we got Attack from Mars, and down below here, Safecracker, I think it's called. But let's get into this one. This is a Attack from Mars.
This is an emergency broadcast. The Earth is being invaded by flying saucers from Mars.
And I've never played this one.
Nothing can defeat us. Mamma mia! Save the tower!
It's funny, it says 3-star. Like a 3-star general. I guess.
Take it after you bastard head! Blow the saucer out of the sky! Missiles locked on target. Italia! Italia!
You cannot defeat our force field.
Multi-ball! Jackpot!
Oh, it's like in the middle.
Jackpot! We gotta save the Statue of Liberty!
Oh, right down the middle. Doing so well, too. What?
We'll fight for our freedom! Take that, Martian! Destroy the saucer! This is an emergency broadcast. The Earth is being invaded by flying saucers from Mars!
You cannot defeat our force field.
Get every available man.
No time for tea. Blast those Martians.
Missiles locked on target.
will be destroyed.
Didn't expect that.
Super Jet! Return to battle, soldier! We gotta save the Statue of Liberty! No! Not our hot dogs! Get the troops ready. We'll fight for our freedom!
Wow, really? God, this is ridiculous.
Take that, Martian! Blow the saucer out of the sky! Nobody messes with the USA!
Go for the extra ball.
We are invincible.
Missiles on standby!
Sacre bleu! The Martians are destroying the Eiffel Tower! We must destroy the stinking Martians! Take that, you ugly, green, stinking, disgusting Martian! You Martians will never take France!
Hey! They got our stuff!
Come on, really? That was actually fun. I think I'm gonna end and stop that one for now. Gonna go to Save Cracker, which is right here. And gotta download it. Cause I just got these. I don't know why it does that. What did I do? I didn't. Okay. I don't know what I did. This is an interesting one. But as much as I want to keep playing and just I'm not going to sit here and record a couple of hour long video. So it's like, it's this guy. I have to just decide, like how much I'll play of one table and then go on to another. At least I was able to have one already downloaded, but this one, I have to. Maybe I'll do some more recording of this in the mixed reality. I mean, I just did one table in there, but
Intruder alert. 45 minutes until area shutdown. Oh,
We don't have much time.
40 minutes until area shutdown.
And it's
That sparkle.
pretty weird with the flippers. They're like everything is small.
Wheel and deal.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Lock is lit. Head for the ramp. We've still got a little time.
Oh, that's good.
10 minutes until area shutdown. Your time is running out.
Let's lock 'em up. Lock is lit. Beautiful.
Intruder is now in sudden death.
Look at that. I don't know if I understand this game. But
You have been terminated.
trying to make sense of this.
Intruder alert. 45 minutes until area shutdown.
Attaboy. Let's wheel and deal.
This is a high security area. You have been warned. Candy. 2000 system shutdown in progress. Termination force is suspended.
This
35 minutes until area shutdown.
That was slick. Let's wheel and deal.
25 minutes until area shutdown.
Hmm.
20 minutes until area shutdown.
Let's lock 'em up. We've still got a little time. Head for the ramp.
Intruder is now in sudden death.
Lock is lit. That was slick.
That was not a nice thing to do.
Let's lock 'em up. Head for the entrance. Head for the ramp.
didn't expect that. Interesting game. How this one works, I mean, don't fully get it. I mean, I guess it's one ball, but that you just keep going with it.
You have been terminated. Have it.
Try again.
Intruder alert. 45 minutes until area shutdown.
We don't have much time. Lock is lit. Let's lock 'em up. Beautiful. Let's wheel and deal. Head for the ramp.
go, dear.
Oh no. Please be careful. Minutes until area shutdown.
Lock is lit. Let's lock them up. Head for the ramp. We don't have much time. Attaboy. Let's wheel and deal. Lock is lit. Let's lock them up.
Any mistake will result in complete termination. Area shutdown is underway. Intruder is now in sudden death.
Head for the ramp.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Lock is lit. Let's lock them up. Nice move.
That was not a nice thing to do. Unauthorized access through roof. For your own safety, please leave the area immediately. Unauthorized cash machine access.
Don't give up.
What am I doing?
Please use approved method for Candy 2000 access. That's not the way to operate the Danger!
Keep going.
Security guards have been notified of your presence.
He's just ahead.
Computer-aided watchdog has been released. Please be careful.
Cheese it. It's the cops.
Oh no. Your time is running out. Any mistake will result in complete termination.
Thanks for your deposit.
Intruder is now in sudden death.
That was slick. Let's wheel and deal.
Oh!
Here you go.
Hey, pal.
Oh!
That was pretty decent. Well, I'm tempted to play another.
You have been terminated. Have a nice day.
Oh, one more. Oh, that was
Intruder alert.
oddly fun.
45 minutes until area shutdown.
I guess. Well, that was cute.
45 minutes until area shutdown.
Down the middle.
30 minutes until area shutdown. Ah,
Beautiful. Let's wheel and deal.
2000 system shutdown in progress. Termination force is suspended. Candy, 2000 system restart in progress.
That was slick.
That was interesting.
Let's wheel and deal. Lock is lit. We don't have much time.
Oh,
Head for the ramp.
any mistake will result in complete termination.
That was slick.
That was not a nice thing to do.
Let's lock 'em up. Head for the entrance.
You know what I was trying to do. But. Oh, really? I was there? Sheesh. Oh well. I'm done. I mean, I'll definitely be playing this later, but
You have
for the
been
video,
terminated.
I'm done.
Have a nice day.
Get to finish. Wow, that was fun. Whew. Alright, well, I guess that's going to be the end of this video. Hope everyone enjoyed it. I don't know if I said it on the second. The first one, I think I said, but at least this gives, for anyone who hasn't ever played these pinball machines or this game or whatever it is, it gives them a taste of some of the different pinball tables. And then for anyone who has played it, well, I guess, I don't know, not much I could say to that. I guess you already know how fun these are. So anyway, all right, gonna finish the video here.